In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a list of multifamily properties in PropWire. If you're focusing on multifamily real estate, PropWire makes it easy to filter your search so you're only looking at the types of properties that match your investment goals. This can help you avoid spending time and marketing resources on properties that don't fit your strategy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to search for multifamily properties and refine your results using the filters available in PropWire. To begin, log into your PropWire account and open the home screen. The first step is to select the area where you'd like to search. You can search by zip code, city, or county, depending on the size of the market you're targeting. If you're working in a larger metropolitan area, a zip code may provide a focused list, while a county search may be more suitable for smaller or less populated regions. After entering your location, select it from the search results, and PropWire will display the total number of properties available in that area. Next, open the Property Types filter at the top of the page. You'll find two multifamily options available: multifamily 2 to 4 units and multifamily 5+ units. The primary difference between these categories is that larger multifamily properties typically follow different financing and lending guidelines than smaller duplexes, triplexes, and fourplexes. For this example, select the multifamily 2 to 4 units option. Once applied, PropWire will immediately narrow the results to only those properties that match your selection. If you want to make the list even more targeted, you can continue refining the search. Open the price filter and enter a maximum purchase price that fits your investment criteria. This is a simple way to remove higher-priced properties that may fall outside your target budget. After that, click on More Filters and open the Owner Filters section. If your preference is to work directly with individual property owners, select Individual as the owner type and save your changes. This will further reduce the list to properties that better match your preferred ownership criteria. You can continue narrowing the results even more by applying additional property filters such as square footage, number of bedrooms, or number of bathrooms. The exact filters you choose will depend on your investment goals and the type of multifamily property you're looking to purchase. Once you've finished applying your filters, the matching properties will appear in the results list. From there, you can review each property individually and continue refining your search if needed. Using these filtering tools allows you to quickly build a focused list of multifamily properties that aligns with your investment strategy while keeping your search organized and efficient.